Hey friends, today we are going to talk about like this wheel strategy screener and why we use like why I personally use like the wheel screener to take my all cache secure put and covered calls. So as you know, the SecurePutCalls.com, which is like the number one option analysis tool currently in the world, they have like various patented screens, like almost like more than 10 screens, more than 10 tools for them. They apply patent in the United States Patent Office, and there are so many features I'm going to describe here today. So this is the first feature. So generally, like before this wheel screener, I used to spend like 2 hours, or 1 hour, 3 hours for researching stocks. Um, like to search by some indicator like MACD or RSI. But when I came to know about the SecurePutCalls.com, Wheel Screener, Wheel Score especially, I um, I can scan like more than 500 stocks in real time. I can filter by delta, IV rank, DT, analyze ROI, like all those things, like which exactly I wanted to know before I take any trade, like probability of profit and especially the wheel score, which is like the proprietary for secure put calls. So real-time data, I can set my delta here on the screen of the SecurePutCalls.com. So you can see like they have like various uh, delta. You can see like this assignment score uh, from a score 80 to 100. The delta is like less than 0.20 for far OTM basically, and then a score 60 to 79. It is like low to moderate risk. Score below is 4059, so score below 40 is like basically high risk, approaching like ATM. So if you want to do like a straddle or strangle kind of thing, then you can, well, it's depend upon like your risk reward. So generally, there is another proprietary thing here they developed for, which is like assignment score, assignment risk, and assignment score. So wheel score, if you got like more than 80 plus score, it means like it is excellent for wheel strategy, or you can, uh, uh, like either you are in covered call side or you're in like cash secure put. Uh, it will be very safe for you to take a trade. So generally, I can hide this info, and then this is like every day there is a job, there is a job set for this screen, and the result like every day, every in the morning around like 10:30 a.m. Um, there is a job from SecurePutCalls.com. It runs on the background, and it returns the result, and like it's calculate all the deltas of like shorts and longs throughout the S&P 500, and then it's collect you like it's displayed the best stock for that day. Uh, so you can say like there are a lot of stocks currently, but with a different strike price. And like let's suppose like let's see like this 414 like Tesla. It is like medium, and they are suggesting their AI is suggesting like cash secure put. The wheel score is like 100. So what is scoring, which I just showed you? 0 to 100 means like there's a combination of all these, like premium yield, assignment risk is 25%, theta efficiency, liquidity, and IV rank. So if you combine all those, you will get a wheel score. So that's why they patented this score. It's just uh, nowhere is currently in the world. So that's why they patented. So you can see like the score, the wheel score is 100 for the Tesla, for the cash secure put 4014. So you can see like the liquidity is also like 10 out of 10. Uh, so they are suggesting like this is an excellent opportunity for a smooth theta decay. It means like the Tesla is like bullish because their AI is suggesting like CSP cash secure put, and it's safe. If you see like the risk intel, uh, there's a there is like four kind of proprietary score, which is like the first one is gamma score. So like you heard like gamma squeeze, like how it works, like what is the shortest efficiency for a stock. You can detect like at least like 24 to 72 hours in advance whether like it is risky or it is like safe zone, and or it is an optimum score. So you can say if the score is like between 0 to 3, it is like safe. 4 to 6 means like it's a tight in delta, you can shorten DT. And 7 to 10, it is like very high. So do not sell put or calls. So it's kind of like, the gamma squeeze is in progress. So you can check here in advance anytime if you are planning for trade and see the gamma squeeze score and take your trade accordingly. So right now the score is like 3.9, which is like kind of like okay for me. I mean optimum. And then there's a short squeeze rate. So you heard like a lot of time, in these all news channels and X and all those social media platform, like the stock got short squeezed, or the bulls got trapped, or a long squeeze. So now we have an indicator, and this is all proprietary, by the way. I mean, no one else can copy. So this is all derived by SecurePutCalls team, and their algo decide like every day, like which is the best strike and what is the best price. So you can see like the combination of the short squeeze risk. It is like a 25% is basically the short interest. Then days to cover is 20%. Then utilization is like 15%, P by C reversal and social blast and all those things. Like it's analyzes all the social sentiment across the social media, and then it declares the score. So it's very important to like see this short squeeze risk score. So right now for this strike, it is like 4.4. So it means like it is a good time. So we are safe. We can easily go for CSV. Now we can talk about like the circular trading risk. So circular trading risk is again like so a lot of time I heard like someone is buying and at the other end is someone is selling. So it means like there is a circular deal between buyers and sellers, and the normal retailers like you and me, they don't know, like if there is any circular risk is there or what is happening. Like suddenly the stock crushed. Sometimes suddenly it's just like blown away from the portfolio. So those things we can monitor through these scores. So right now it is showing like 4.1, so it means like it is good. We are safe. It's not like there is no much risk. Um, so now you can see like the position, what exactly which strike it is recommending. So it's recommending like 29 expiry May 29, which is like 8 day from today, like from the Tuesday coming, and then strike is it's like 405. That's what the AI is recommending. So this is the current strike price, current stock price, and this is the strike price, exact strike price for the Tesla. And 2.2% is the return which you can expect, and premium you can collect like $635, and return is like basically a 71% annual ROI. If you keep selling these kind of cash secure put, you can expect like your capital uh, can calculate 71% annually. If you follow like these kind of configuration, which is currently showing like 3.9 gamma and 4.4 SI risk, and then circular 4.1, and if you're like 2.2% OTM, uh, is basically. So there is another link, analyze. So I'll show in some other video what is this analyze link to. And then there's a share. This share, that's fine. You can share it to your social media. But this is one of the fantastic way to judge the stock health and the risk appetite. Like how the stock is behaving and what is the current risk. And you can save also, like for your login, you can simply, like for example, if you want to save like Tesla ROI, and then it will save for you. In future, you can uh, simply see like what the exact stock was there and all. So this is one of the way to search a good bullish stock in which you can sell the cash secure put, and what delta and what the thing, like basically you don't have to worry about, like delta, theta, and all this RY and all. So this is uh, mostly the scanning of the stock requires like a lot of time, and there is no way to to get the to analyze the risk of this stock. So uh, this is the very beautiful way uh, to screen the stock. Now we have the tool in wheel strategy. So go ahead and install this secure put calls. I really recommend it. It is very useful, and it will help you a lot. Thank you so much. Have a good day.